Imagine this. You are holding the most advanced piece of technology humanity has ever created. An artificial intelligence model so powerful, it possesses the collective knowledge of human history. It can write poetry, debug complex software, and reason through medical diagnoses in seconds. But then, you ask it a simple question. Hey, can you check my email and tell me if my manager sent over the updated contract? And suddenly, this digital becomes completely useless. It looks at you and says, I'm sorry, I don't have access to your email. This is the tragic paradox of modern artificial intelligence. We have built brilliant minds, but we have trapped them inside isolated glass cages. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are platforms of pure intellect. They possess reasoning. They possess conversational mastery, but they are functionally blind to the real-world systems you use every single day. They cannot open a browser tab. They cannot check a database. They cannot update a corporate calendar. During the massive AI boom, every major corporation rushed to adopt LLMs, believing that total automation was just a few prompts away. But when they deployed these models in the real world, reality hit them hard. When a developer asks the company AI, "What caused yesterday's production crash?" the AI draws a blank. Why? Because it doesn't have access to the production monitoring tools. When a project manager asks, "What are the critical open tickets in Jira?" the AI fails again because it doesn't have a login to Jira. This brings us to a fundamental law of technology that every engineer must understand. Knowledge and action are two completely different things. Knowing how to do something means absolutely nothing if you lack the hands to actually do it. For years, AI could talk, but it couldn't act. To solve this massive disconnect, the tech industry didn't just build another application. They created a universal standard. It is called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. Do not worry about memorizing the complex acronym right now. Instead, focus entirely on the massive problem it solves. Think back to the history of consumer technology. Every revolutionary leap forward was born because someone needed to standardize communication. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, was created because we needed a single, universal way for web browsers to talk to websites. SMTP was built so different email clients could send messages to one another seamlessly. And then, there is the physical world. Think about the nightmare of electronics years ago. If you owned a digital camera, a phone, and a laptop, you had to carry 3 entirely different proprietary charging cables. It was a fragmented, frustrating mess. Then came USB-C, one single cable to connect, charge, and transfer data across every single device on Earth, regardless of the brand. The custom code, nightmare. Model Context Protocol is the USB-C of the artificial intelligence era. Before MCP, if a company wanted their AI assistant to connect to 5 internal tools, let's say Gmail, Slack, Jira, GitHub, and an internal SQL database, a developer had to sit down and manually write custom integration code for every single one of them. They had to handle unique authentication methods, build custom error handling, and maintain 5 separate pipelines. If the company used 50 different tools, the engineering effort became an unmanageable nightmare. MCP changes everything. Instead of building 50 different bridges, you build one universal port. It creates a standardized, secure communication layer that allows any AI model to seamlessly plug into any data source or application instantly. But how does this protocol actually work under the hood? And how does an AI dynamically discover these tools without being programmed? We are breaking down the exact technical architecture and security frameworks in Part 2. See you there.